If Steam keeps showing error 34, also known as Logon Session Replaced, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This error usually appears when Steam detects that your session has been replaced, often because you logged in from another device, changed important account security settings, or triggered a temporary cooldown during trading or market activity. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming fixes and Steam guides. Let's get into it. First, let's understand the main reason this happens. Steam error 34 is often tied to a security cooldown, especially if you are trying to trade or use the community market. If you recently changed your profile name or avatar, Steam may temporarily block trading activity for a few hours. This is Steam's way of preventing scammers from changing their identity too quickly. In most cases, this cooldown lasts around 2 to 4 hours. There is no manual bypass for this, so the best fix is simply to wait it out. If you trade often, try to avoid making frequent profile changes right before a transaction. Now, if the error is happening just while trying to stay logged in, the problem may be a corrupted session ticket. In that case, the best thing to do is force Steam to create a completely fresh login. Start by fully closing Steam. Do not just click the X button. Make sure every Steam process is shut down, open Task Manager, and end any Steam Web Helper.exe processes if they are still running in the background. Once everything is closed, reopen Steam and log in again. This time, it helps to uncheck Remember My Password so Steam can generate a brand new session. Then enter your username, password, and Steam Guard code manually. This often fixes the replaced session issue immediately. If the problem keeps coming back, another possible cause is that another device is actively logging into your account. That could be one of your own devices, or in a more serious case, someone else may be accessing your account. To stop this, go into Steam Settings, then Security, and open Manage Steam Guard. From there, look for the option to deauthorize all other devices. This will sign out every other session attached to your account. After that, log back in on your main PC right away so you can establish the primary session again. Next, if Steam is still acting up, try clearing the browser and cache data stored inside the client. Sometimes old cookies or cached files conflict with your current login session. Open Steam Settings, go to Interface, and choose Delete Web Browser Data. After that, go to Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. This is a simple but very effective step because Steam relies on stored data more than most people realize. Once the cache is cleared, restart Steam and check whether error 34 is gone. Another thing to check is your network connection. If your internet is unstable, Steam may think your session is changing constantly. This can happen with certain VPNs, mobile hotspots, or connections that keep switching IP addresses. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. If you're on a hotspot, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection if possible. Steam can sometimes interpret rapid IP changes as a new login session, which causes the Logon Session Replaced error to appear again and again. So to recap, if you're seeing Steam error 34 during trading, wait for the security cooldown. If you're being logged out, force a fresh login. If multiple devices are involved, deauthorize the others. If the client is holding old data, clear the browser and download cache. And if your network is unstable, fix the connection or disable the VPN. If this helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next Steam troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.